All right, so it's just a short little clip of using GPT to generate some trig surfaces. I really like this one because it's just the absolute most beautiful, and I put it through an actual uh, little oscillation as well in Grasshopper. But you can see how easy that script is to write from simple text prompts. Let GPT do all the boring stuff and the work for you and be mesmerized by it. And if I could get my mouse over here, you see the script's pretty easy. And I like that it outputs three surfaces. This goes back to the early work of like Daniel Christa, which just always enthralled me, and his multiple surfaces. So this is a nice little iteration. And I'm working with an artist, and I have an idea to do a show or an exhibition of robotically pushing these out of aluminum, or casting them in bronze, and calling this show Uncomfortable with Math. So for all those who think they're uncomfortable with math, I think it might be nice to make these surfaces and physically make people uncomfortable with them. So that's it. I'll be doing more videos and I can break this down. If anybody's interested, just let me know your interest by uploading the repos and all the private repos and all the files online. This is a fun little script, and totally make it as parametric as you want. The frequency and amplifications down here I've sent off to another oscillation, so it performs this simple animation. I keep coming back to the same thing. It doesn't seem like I make any progress. I just absolutely find out what I find so enjoyable in life. And this is it. Thanks for watching.